In this video, I'm going to demonstrate memorizing a 30-digit randomly generated number. And this is all done live. I'm not going to go off into a room somewhere and sit down for hours and memorize it and come back. No, I'm going to do it right here live, and I'm going to just walk out for a few minutes once I've memorized it to show that I'm not using my short-term memory, and I'm going to come back and then I'm going to write out the number and recite it to you. Okay? I'm 100% honest and transparent, and I'm doing this in real time live as if you were sitting here and watching me. Okay? So no cheating, no nothing. I'm showing this because these memory techniques work. So what I'm going to do here is I have an online website that generates random numbers. I'm going to generate a 30-digit number, and as soon as I generate it, I start memorizing it. I give myself a few minutes, and once I've memorized it, I open another tab to cover up the numbers. I flip the scrap paper over that I use, and then I go off for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I come back, I sit down, and then from memory, I write down the number, recite it to you. And afterwards, when I edit the video, I'm going to put up the number on the video so you can see it to match. Alright? So you can see that I've done a perfect job. Alright, let's start. So I'm going to click go, and as soon as it starts, that's when I start memorizing. Alright? Alright, I've memorized the number, and I've covered this, and I've closed the tab, so I can't see anything now, and I'm going to go off for a minute and come back, and then I'm going to recite the number off. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, I'm back, and I'm gonna recite the number off. I'm gonna write it down on a piece of blank paper, and then I'm gonna read it off to you. And after the video, I'm gonna have it display right there so you can see that I've memorized it completely. Alright, so I'm gonna grab a blank envelope. As you can see, it's blank, and I'm going to start writing it. So just take me a minute. I mean, it's like 30 digits is quite long, so Alright, just a minute. Alright, I finished writing it down. Here it is, and I'm going to read it off to you. So it's 3943 7199 395 8583 4284 606206 97293. Alright, and you'll see the number right above here, and you can compare it. And that's it. So you can do the exact same. You've just got to apply the techniques in this video, in this whole course. Alright? So I look forward to hearing your success stories with these techniques. See you in the next video.